Oh, what's good? What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. This girl just hit. I don't know why. Anyway, today, well, it's late. Well, we got these shoes right here, and we ain't gonna talk. We just gonna let it play.
Please tell them how long we had these shoes.
We had these shoes by like 2 weeks.
So we bought them in July.
In July, and they just got here.
In the midst of us moving. So
Yep.
that's why we're doing a reveal late.
I'm trying to put her on game, trying to get her shoes game up. But she got lists on something though.
I got a little something. He trying to get me into Jordans. These are nice, I'm not even gonna lie. When am I gonna wear these?
Well, I'm gonna wear it with like a jersey.
I said, when are we gonna wear these?
Soon.
So like when?
I don't know. I just love shoe smell. Oh yeah. I don't know if these the same ones my blue one. Hold on, I'll be right back.
So this was not scripted. Guys, how many of y'all got these? I'm not gonna lie, these are nice. These are pretty iconic. I'm not a Jordan fan because I feel like all the shoes look alike. And you know what I really want? I want Yeezys. I want Yeezys for my birthday.
Okay. Hey, these still I'm trying to see it. Oh, these is good.
No, it's different fabric.
It's the same fabric.
No, it's not. That's like smoother. This has more texture to it. Show them.
I think this one is different from this fabric right here.
Put it down more a little bit more so they can see it.
See? Hey, it's look the same.
This ain't shiny though. That's more shiny.
Hmm.
Look at the gloss. No, go back to that other way. See how that one, this one's more glossier than that one? That's not the same.
Yeah. But I like them though. I like them.
How many of these do you have?
I don't know.
Really? You don't
I don't know
know?
how many pairs of clothes I got. But
Guys, so like he has like the bulk of his shoes in our closet, and he still has more shoes coming. I don't even have that many shoes. So you know how most women have a lot of shoes? That's him.
I mean, so I was just like shoes.
But yeah, tell me if you guys got these. We had them on lock for a while. We were just waiting for them to be shipped to us when we moved to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to wear these. I was telling them that I want Yeezys.
She want Yeezy so bad, y'all.
I do.
She don't like to.
Yeah, I don't think that they're the hype because they're all like the same. The only thing that makes them different is the color, but other than that, they're like the same shoe that comes out every year, just in different colors.
But wrap this video up.
I sound like such a hater, don't I?
She a hater. Thank you for watching. Tune in for the next video. Peace.
Bye.